Today we have the Cloudswift, one of the most popular models, also most aesthetically pleasing. We are going to have the full platform of this shoe as their Helion technology from Cloud Tech. So it's going to be very soft, lightweight. So I have the very first model that came out here, and then they changed it. They still call it the Cloudswift, but there are some slight differences, and there's going to be differences with the way that they look and their color ranges. So the biggest changes with the new one: softer, a little bit more noticeable roll to it. It's going to be a little bit thicker and heavier compared to this model here. So if you like that little bit more lightweight, responsive, soft feel that this one first provided, you don't want to go a little bit softer, this is going to be a new option for you. The toe box is going to fit very comparable, nice plush material, feels really great. The big change that happened on the upper is going to be right in that midfoot with this material. The very first model, the one that you probably currently have or have looked at, this is more of like a very moldable plastic type material. So it's plastic, but it's very kind of soft feeling, where the new model has more of like a material type feel to it. It's still kind of dense, but a little bit softer, and it's going to adhere to your foot a little bit better, so you can get a little bit more snug fit and feel with that. The back side of the shoe, you're going to notice that the new model here is a little bit thicker than the old model. That's where a lot of that cushion is going to come from. And if you are a heel striker, it's going to absorb more shock. They are both considered neutral shoes. Looking at that arch side, it is built up with more material, but there is no different density in there. Coming from the back side of that heel, we do have a plastic heel counter on the base, so it is going to kind of control the foot as you make that ground contact. Both models have that. Overall, other than the color differences, we're going to be a little bit softer with the new one, a little bit more of a prevalent roll, and an upper that's going to fit a little bit more snug to the foot. But for those that have had this previous model or the first one that came out, there's going to be those slight differences. I would definitely suggest trying them out, and there's going to be different colors available with each one. We're sticking with the same price point. There's no discount there. Both great shoes, Swiss Engineering. Check them out at your local running store. Check out the description in the bottom. I'll put some specs there. Give a thumbs up and comment. Thanks a bunch.